Hello everybody, I Lizzie Bunny 99 aka Elizabeth Dotson here. Welcome back for more videos of video games lesson. So how's your day been going? Mine is doing good. It's okay, we feel a lot tired. So with here to focus done with this list. And also there's something else that you want to sign to. Before we get started, here the change order to sign it in order to my main focus to save my most favorite life on Disneyland and many of you guys went to Disney World known as Magic Kingdom. So we here to fight this to save Mountain to keep it as it is. I'll be honest, my opinion is we demon to Princess Tiana is bad idea in my opinion. So we what someone said here. Please understand this. In my honest, the first time I saw the movie is very, very good. But honestly, look, you had to pay to the read this. See, that's what we want. And also, if you're planning to sign this, you had to pay or share with everyone. That's how much it is for your support to say that wide. If you're guys a fan of the ride in the movie, comment and what is your opinion. Kind and goodest way, let Disney know what our opinion for honestly. Please don't hate. Alright, back to the video game lesson. That's what I want to know. Alright, before we could say everything, all these video and this lesson are spoiler word ahead. Please finish playing all your favorite video games and everything else first before watch this video. Take your time, don't rush yourselves. If you knew a lot of video games and that I am, comment to help me out. I really, very kindly appreciate that. Thank you. And also, I like to say thank you for keys surviving this channel. Thank you very much. Check out my second channel, Elizabeth Dawson. You know what it is. On. So, let's get going. Let's finish this part. And then, we got it's up to us if we want to continue with it or we can work on with the other one. Which had too many tasks there. You see not too many. Or you want me to finish a list of Xbox Series X and Series S games. It's up to you. That's because I'm being very, very honest. Oh, I forgot. If I go too fast, you have to look it up to see for yourself. And also, I forgot to add to say something, but it's okay we had our own opinion. That's our choice. It's okay that we had our own opinion. And of course, we make a lot of mistakes too. For me, when I start the anime lessons, it's very long time ago. I don't know, you guys knew, like, how long. My mistake is when I start, I forgot to buy them up or for you guys to hear me. Yep, oops.
I can hear you from the wall. I had to close it. You see, I got my clothes ready right there at the door.
Yes.
Got my clothes ready for tomorrow. I take my shower ready, so I don't have to do it after dinner. The food's not. My mom will go pick up some food. You could take a shower if you want to. You're gonna go pick up some food.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna leave the door. I'm not gonna lock it. I'm gonna leave the door open for you. Open for you because I'm doing this right so you can come in.
Sorry about that, guys. One of my roommates, you guys know that one of the twins, my camper. The twins are my roommate. So yeah. Sorry, we should make sure that we'll be prepared. And my other chicken chips, like you see on my PowerPoint, that it makes sure you guys should be prepared. Get your clothes ready for next day, like visit tomorrow, like you do it every day. Oh, especially if you're at school. It had dress code rules. So yeah, rules are the rules. So make sure you'll be prepared. Well, guys, we are complete. Listen, Naruto entertainment and the games. Woohoo! We are done. Alright, guys. Finally, we are finished with this. So I will see you in the next video. Bye. Please comment on what you think about on this. But please sign to say my Mountain and keep it as it is in Magic Kingdom and Disneyland. On Change Order, there are other things too, like order for fight it, please, no negative stuff. We want to realize it in our kindness and opinion way. Like what you think. Remember, it might be easier, so yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.